Student, I hope you are fine. Today our topic is vitamin and their chemical name. So let's start. First of all, we discuss about vitamin A. Chemical name is retinol and deficiency disease. Its mean deficiency of vitamin A cause disease night blindness, and vitamin A source are carrot, milk, egg, fruit, etc. Next, we have vitamin B1, chemical name thiamine, and deficiency of vitamin B1 cause disease, Beriberi disease, and their source is peanuts, potatoes, vegetable. Next, we have B2 vitamin. Their chemical name is riboflavin, and their deficiency cause skin eruptions, eye disease, and their source is egg, milk, green vegetable. Next, we have vitamin B3. Its chemical name is pantothenic acid. Their deficiency disease called burning in feet, white hair. Their source is meat, milk, tomato, and peanut. Next, we have vitamin B5. Their chemical name is nicotinamide niacin. It's also called niacin. Deficiency disease, menstrual disorder, pellagra, source meat, peanut, and potatoes. Next, we have vitamin B6. Their chemical name is pyridoxine. Its deficiency diseases are anemia, skin diseases, etc. And their source is milk, meat, and vegetable. Next, we have vitamin B7, or also called vitamin H. Its chemical name is biotin. Its deficiency diseases are hair fall, skin diseases, etc. And its source is yeast, wheat, egg. Next, we have vitamin B12. Chemical name is cyanocobalamin. Their deficiency diseases are anemia and Pandue diseases. Their source is milk, jelly, meat. Next, we have vitamin D. Its chemical name is calciferol, most important vitamin, and its deficiency causes ricket disease. Their source is sunlight. It's a prime source of vitamin D. Another sources are milk and egg. Next, we have vitamin C. Its chemical name is ascorbic acid, and their deficiency diseases are scurvy, gingivitis, and their source is amla, lemon, orange,